Now, a high-profile case involving Meta platforms and YouTube has kicked off at a California state court. The court case involves a 20-year-old woman identified as KGM.
The woman claims she became addicted to the company's platforms as a child and that their attention-grabbing designs contributed to her depression and suicidal thoughts. KGM filed a lawsuit against Meta platforms, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram, and Google, which owns YouTube. According to court filings, she claims the platform's attention-grabbing design got her addicted at a young age and that the apps fueled her depression and suicidal thoughts. She is seeking to hold the companies liable for the alleged harm. The lawsuit is one of thousands now facing the social media industry in California over harm to children's mental health.
The jury will decide whether the companies were negligent and whether KGM's use of the apps was a substantial factor in her mental health harm. Well, if claims succeed, jurors will then consider whether to award damages for pain and suffering and whether to impose punitive damages.
A verdict against the companies could smoothen the way for similar cases in state courts and shake the tech industry's long-standing U.S. legal defense against claims of user harm.
Meta and Google will challenge the claims. TikTok and Snap settled the case before the trial. Under U.S. law, internet companies are largely shielded from liability for material published by users. But if the jury rejects that protection in this case, it could open the door to further claims that social media platforms are harmful by design. In addition to the state-level cases, the companies are also facing more than 2,300 similar lawsuits in federal court, filed by parents, school districts, and state attorneys general.